This spacious 2009 Dodge Journey has been detailed and is now ready for the road. This 5-door SUV has expansive seats, and is equipped with a responsive 2.4-liter inline 4-cylinder 16-valve engine, a smooth shifting automatic transmission, and has the safety and efficiency of front-wheel drive. Its electronic features include an MP3 player, a 6-disc remote auto changer and a 6-speaker in-cabin sound system. The safety features on this vehicle include child safety locks, a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system and 4-disc brakes with 2 ventilated discs. Call or come in today to arrange a test drive.